So what's up, guys? It's DJ Cross here, and today I went to Guitar Center yesterday, and I found these things, man. And let me tell you, I played on them, and they sound excellent. And Guitar Center, they sound good. So I bought a pair, and it was only like $75 for the two of them. Monitors, guys. This is a Sterling MX3 black, and I was gonna do a unboxing and hook them up for you guys so y'all can see just how they sound. So let's get busy. Do a little unboxing, man. Sterling. Little 3-inch monitors, man. They sound good in the store. So I bought a pair of them. Go in the bedroom and set them right there beside the desktop. Alright. Oh yeah, they look good. Get both of them. Okay, so the other one's the active, that's the passive. And let's in here. Okay. Oh, that's neat. Okay, I thought I was gonna have to buy, well, I've already got some, but I thought I was gonna have to buy some of these, RCA cables. Okay. I'm gonna have to hook this right up to my laptop right off the bat. But I got I have a audio interface, a Behringer. I got a Scarlett too, but I think I got the Behringer in the other room. I'll probably hook them up. I want that, man. I just want to see how good they sound. Okay, sorry about that. I need 2 hands to break that plastic stuff. They got them wrapped good, though. I tell you, man, that's some professional stuff for such a cheap price. Small little package. Let's strip that plastic off of there. And pull these bad boys out. Sorry about them. Oh yeah. You can't read that. It's upside down. My fault. Sterling. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's hook these things up, guys, and see how they sound. Learn how to do stuff with one hand, right? This is a sorry video. I'm gonna have to do this over. Nah, I'm not gonna do it over. But yeah, that's all you need right here. Oh yeah, let's power this laptop on, man. See what we're working with. Come down here. Just open you up. Power. Love this laptop. It's a gaming laptop. So Lenovo. It's a Ryzen. I've got the 556 or 5800H. It's got an H processor, all I know. It's a gaming laptop, so it'll handle all the DJing necessities. Yeah. On the other side. Alright, let's get you plugged in. Boom. White. Red. Oh yeah, brand new. That's what I'm talking about. No, I don't need you. There we go. You're what I need. Let's open you up. Pull you out. And we're gonna test these bad boys out so you can see just how good they sound, man. They sound great to me. Okay. Plug you in. Get some power going in here. There we go. And my name is Funky. It'll take but a second for that. Oh, no, we're firing up. Fire TV. Yeah, guys. Let's do this right here. Trust a little thumb drive. We're gonna stick him in. And that's working. We're gonna Bluetooth this. And we're gonna go, let's open up virtual DJ. Put some music on. Uh-oh. Where my music at? Where my music at? Music stored on this computer. No. Yes, use a new version. Oh, I ain't opened it up in a while. I've been using Serato. Take this little stick out of the box. Plug that one on up too. Might as well, right? These trying to be kind of long, trying to do it with one hand. Isn't that a neat little monitor, guys? Just a little thing. It's a little 3-inch monitor. Sterling. I'm gonna get this other cable unwrapped and hook that up, and we're good to go. Let's see. Out to the other speaker. Plug it all the way in. Alright. Turn it around. Got a little knob on the front. Headphones. And an input. Okay, auxiliary input. That's neat. Make sure this is plugged in good. Plug this power cord in and plug it over here. Wait a minute. I ain't supposed to have to force nothing now. Act like you don't want to slide in place. There we go. That's in there, guys. Oh yeah, we got power. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's close this out. And we're gonna open it back up. First, let me check, make sure. Yeah, it's here. USB 3.1. Okay. Retro DJ. Oh, where's my music? Folder. Create virtual folder. Listen device. Okay. I'm not seeing my music. What is going on? Local music. Music. Cybertron. I don't want to play that. I think they'll probably get copyrighted if I do that. YouTube. Videos. Animatica. Captures. Glide. Race. Trucks. Wait a minute. This is not stuff I want. Yeah, let's just click on one of these beats. Play. Volume. That thing's still good. This is with the laptop. And when I hook this up to a controller or a mixer, oh yeah, those little things pump. And the bass is good. Let's see what we got here. Put this in. Let's see how I stay moving. Ooh. Okay, that sounds good. Alright, I got somebody here for you. Here we go. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. an exclusive.
100K, that's a show. Yo, bitch, I thought he'd be letting me hit. You flexing 500, put that on the fit. He flexing his money, we know he a lit. 100K, that's a show. Yo, bitch, I thought he'd be letting me hit. You flexing 500, put that on the fit. He flexing his money, we know he a lit. Left hand in, left hand in, left hand in, left hand out, right foot in, right foot in, right foot in, right foot out. Do your dance, 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 do your dance.
Alright guys, so what y'all think?
Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. 100K, that's a show.
75
bucks. Be letting me hit. You flexing 500, put that on the fit. He flexing his money.
75 bucks. And those things are actually loud, like almost like PA speakers. Who would have thought it? Something so small could sound so good. It's a great sound card in these, and these are the Sterling MX3s. I'll put a link in the description. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these. Man, I thought I was sharing with you guys, so y'all might want to go pick them up. Again, I got them from Guitar Center. But I put a link in the video. I'm in the description, so you can go down there and check them out yourself. Alright, thanks guys.